everybody, welcome back to the channel. Bob Homestead with Sadie here. Today, because I'm kind of stuck a little bit till the refrigerator gets here. I wasn't going to build these doors, but I might as well. So I test built one to see what they would come up with. And this is what they're going to look like. Let's see. And how it's going to be is it's going to be, I got one that's going here, and I'm going to start building the other one. But this one actually goes on this side. So it's going to be right here. I'm going to make that one. And then I'm going to work on doing the doors for this. So let's get started. All right, see how square that is. On the money. So now what this will be is, when this is all together, this sits in here like this. So I actually I need one more cut. Hold on. All right, so I knew there was one more thing I had to do, and to make it square with the other one, I have to rip the two long pieces so that they're identical. Had to go super slow. Had not right there. Alright. So now, so these, quick glance, these, let's see, on the money. Alright. So what we'll do today is we'll assemble it today, glue it, and then tomorrow I'll paint it. Now I'm working on the two easiest ones first. The top two. Because the bottom, or the four doors on the bottom are actually going to be pretty easy too, but they're going to take a little bit longer. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do, oh, got a bad knee. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to glue them and clamp them. Leave them all together. And but then what I may do next is, because once this is all done and it's set up, just like the other one did this morning, I'll take the centerpiece out, prime up, sand it, prime it, and then I'll paint it. Glue isn't the only thing that holds it. I actually put a couple short brads on all 4 points, and that secures it. But I haven't got no hinges, no handles, none of that yet. And who knows if I'll get handles. I may just go get some hinges so that we can put them up. Worry about hinges later on. But I do got I got some props home, so we'll be able to use gas props to open it, keep it open while we get what we got to do, and then get out of there. So right now, let me get them glued, get the clamps on it, and then possibly put the brad nails in it today.
On that one, this one, this clamp. The nice thing about this clamp too, they can lay it right on the ground.
Oh. So when I said about the brads, I get these little short brads, and I'll go from one to the other. Now the good thing is they're only 1/2-inch brads, and they don't stick out the other side. But we're going to check all this and see how it looks over on this side as far as being level. You see, this one's up a little bit. Knock it down. There we go. Much better over there. That one's good. Get the glue off. Much better. So, there we go. So, now you see how it looks. So let's just let that sit for a while. 1/2 inch. So if we come in, let's get the line. That's on the line. It's on that line. Where's that other one? So, what I got to figure out, where does 14 and 47 and a half? Write that down. All right, you got these measurements. Let's go make some cuts. A couple things have been going on. Just getting over the flu first, so I ain't done nothing for 2 weeks. So, glad to get back to the work. You see where we started the cabinets? Got this one up here installed. Looks good. Got one on the bottom started. Got the other one back there. I'm gonna start painting it. I got this one all done, ready to go up. These two I gotta sand and paint. Put latches on all of them. Oh, I had done them, re-glued them. Let's see how they. And that thing's still all loose. What the heck is going on? You might have to. It's just so crazy that the glue is not working. Why is the glue not working? Let's see if these ones. Let's see if this one's glued. Glue worked on. Now the glue worked on that one. Alright, so the glue worked on that one. I'm just going to be sanded. So this one, right there, that's not loose. This side's really loose. Just drill a hole straight down through, the screw in.
do this side. So we need just that little bit of up to hear it catch. There, look at that. Nice and solid. So we'll sand it, and then I'll fill it. We got wood putty right there. So let's get them outside. Let's get this one sanded. Get this one sanded. Once I get them sanded, then we can paint them all. Get the first coat on there and go from there. They got a little tweak in it. They got a little tweak in it. I'm not no fancy bat carpenter. I'm Bob the builder. That's what my stepdaughter calls me. And I'm building it how I like it. What looks very good to me. And I'm proud of what I built. And anybody should. Because I had somebody say to me here, and they're like, well, you should just bought them from the store. If I want something from the store, I'd go buy something from the store. But I don't. I want something that I built. Because I'm proud of what I do. And it looks square and beautiful to me. Thin layer kilts on it first, get it protected, and then I'm using high gloss interior exterior glass like enamel finish, and that's going on the rest of it. What lines are they? This way. See if we can get this lined up now. Okay. So we got it up. Look at that. Match the other one. But you see it sticks out. But we're fixing to take care of that with some latches I got in the mail today. Okay. So actually, let's do it this way. An 1 3/8. See what we get here. Amazing. the other ones, finish getting them painted, get them put together, get them mounted. Let's see if I can get you in there to get a... So there you go. Cabinet doors. I know it's hard to do inside this little spot. Turned out how I expected them to turn out. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Bell for notifications. See you on the next one.